Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today we will start Autopipe playlist and it is the first video. In this video I will teach you how to set up a Autopipe new project. Okay, so at first click on new and just name a project. I am just make it ex1. Sorry, ex1 is already present, ex2, and save. And here you can see a general model options dialog box. Here you can specify the project ID, prepared, checked, and the approval list, and just jump into the piping code. And as the same as the scissor, you have to first choose the piping code, actually about which the pipe stress and the other conditions will be satisfied. So let us use SME B31.3 process code and edition B2022. And here the unit file name and the output file name. Here I am using the metric units, and the vertical x direction is measured and y, and here the number of thermal and pressure case. So the pressure case, let it be used 2. So it means we have to specify 2 thermal pressure cases. If I make it 3, then I have to specify 3 thermal and pressure cases, and the ambient temperature let it be 21.1, and just click on the OK. And here just wait for a while and a new dialog box will soon open. Here is the segment option. The segment name by default start from the A, but you can use, or you may use another letter as per your convenience. And the first point let it be A00, and there would be no offset. Actually I want to define the A00 at the center, and here is the pipe identifier. As it is a new project, there would be no pipe identifier, but you can always rename one. I am just using here 200 STD. That means I am going to use a 200 NB standard schedule pipe. So just click on OK, and here are the pipe properties table. Pipe properties, here you can see the 200 STD is already mentioned. Tag number you can put it, and the nominal diameter you can choose it from the drop down. As I name the pipe 200 standard, I am going to use a 200 NB pipe, and the NS means not specified. You can put it manually. And the schedule standard, mill tolerance already given 1.022, which is nothing but just the 12.5%, as you know guys. And the corrosion allowance, let us specify 1.6 mm. And just a note, once you just select a segment, you can note the unit of that segment here in the right bottom corner. And like I am just select the segment corrosion allowance, you can see the unit is in mm. So just like that. And insulation thickness you may use, I am just using a 60. And insulation material you can choose it from the drop down. I am using wool, minion wool. And the insulation density, let it be as it is. And the cladding thickness, there is no cladding for now. And the line class, you may specify a line class. And the specific gravity of the content, it is the important one. If you are going to use water, then it would be 1, and other things for the oil and the petrol and other things, you may specify the proper specific value of the fluid. And the pipe material, now I am using 106 grade B. 106 grade B. I think right now you are guys familiar with the pipe material and all of the things from my scissor playlist. And once I select the 106B material, the all the stresses values and the modulus values already been mentioned here, which is taken from the code. And let OK. And here is the operating pressure temperature options. And as I mentioned earlier, 3 thermal pressure cases, you have to specify here 3. So let first be in the operating, let us it is like 200 degrees C. You can sorry, 200 degrees C and 20 kg. You can check the values, unit of the values at the bottom corner. And the another condition be atmospheric condition, pressure 1 kg, and one intermediate condition 10 and 150. Okay, and let okay. And now you can see our first point is specified, which is A00. And again, after all the steps, if you have to change any the general options, here from the home tab there is a general model option. You can select it and change it as per your convenience. Also here at the operating condition, here at the operating condition you can click it and change your operating pressure temperature conditions. And here is the pipe properties. If you click the drop down, there is three option. If you select on the modify, you can check which pipe identifier you have to modify. As of now, yeah, it is already one pipe identifier, so I am going to modify it also. So let's click OK, and you can check it and modify as you want, and OK. And also, if you want to add a new pipe identifier, just click on the add and you may define another one. Okay guys, my new project is now all set, and from my next tutorial I will teach you how to input a pipe run, bend and all the elements. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video.